Yeah.
And of course, I had taken 3 months training in Taj Hotel before starting my own.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
So they said, ma'am, every day they tell us that it's all in your mind.
Wow.
It's all in your mind.
Yeah.
I did 100 burpees.
Oh.
Can you imagine 100 burpees at 70? Let me see what books can teach me. So I bought 2 books.
Okay.
And I'm talking about at that time where Amazon was only delivering in USA, not in India. When there is a will, there is a will.
Yes.
You know, I wake up early at 5 and then I go to CrossFit. So no office is running at 5 in the morning. So I'm not missing out on anything.
Anything, yes.
So I've never had this feeling. No one has ever differentiated because of my gender.
That's amazing.
No, I have never felt that I'm a woman and I can't get it.
Wow.
I can't get my work done. No. And I'm so glad that you are doing something different and exciting.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
I wish you all the success
No, thank you.
in whatever you do.
Thank you everyone for joining today, whoever is watching. Please subscribe so that we can get you more such stories. And we have to welcome Madhu ma'am today. Welcome Madhu ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for giving your time.
Thank you, Puneet.
Okay. Ma'am, before we begin, the first question of course is, what is service apartments, people for, who don't know?
Okay. Although now most people know about service apartment. ये कोई इतना ज़्यादा नया concept नहीं है इंडिया में अब. But it is a sort of a bridge between hotel business and
Okay.
apartment rental business. So where आपको जो है hotel का comfort, luxury, but comfort of a house.
Okay.
अपने घर में जैसे रहते हैं, अपनी space है, अपनी छोटी सी kitchen है, अपना bedroom है. So that we provide. And
Okay.
all as the word says, serviced apartment. So apartment which is serviced fully. जिसमें आप housekeeping भी देते हैं, उनका breakfast भी, and whatever they require. Everything is taken care of by the company which runs this service apartment.
Okay. But ma'am, how is it different from a guest house?
See, guest house is just a room where people are given just a room. And a service apartment means you are giving an apartment. Kitchen facilities are there.
Okay.
A person can live for a longer period. In a hotel, in a small room, suppose आप कहीं गेस्ट हाउस में जा रहे हैं,
ठीक है.
छोटे रूम में आप कितने दिन कंफर्टेबली रहोगे?
Right.
1 हफ्ते तक रह जाओगे,
Right.
है ना? उसके बाद you'll get bored, you want to have cook your own meal, or you are going out every day.
Yeah.
So for that, this is the most economical and comfortable stay.
Okay. I think it's a very interesting concept और अभी मैं इस पे काफ़ी बात करूँगा, but before that मैं थोड़ा सा I want to talk about your life also. I think it's very inspiring. आज भी golf खेलते हो, and I know आप CrossFit भी करते हो.
Yeah.
So how does that happen? मतलब what keeps you motivated?
See, ये चीज़ें जो आपने बोली, ये गोल्फ और ये ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो which you learn in life from the start,
Okay.
As a child, when you see your parents doing exercise, like my father बहुत ज़्यादा योगा में believe करते थे.
अच्छा.
On his last day, on his bed, he was doing that, and he
My
passed
God.
at 76. So you get inspired. No one teaches you these things.
Absolutely.
You just learn from your parents. So this fitness का जो चीज़ है, that I learned from my father. And games में, मेरे sports में, everybody in my family is connected to some sports or the other. My
Okay.
brother plays tennis, my nana used to play tennis, my father used to play badminton. So, you learn you get into that. And I was married to an army officer where living right across the golf course. So I picked up this game.
Wow. Do you think, ma'am, आपकी जो fitness है, whether it is playing golf or doing CrossFit or anything, does it also help you being an entrepreneur?
Definitely. कोई भी आप लीडर देख लीजिए, किसी चीज़ का भी, अगर वो फिट नहीं है तो फिर how will you lead your people?
Yeah.
So for a leader has to be, and sports and और एक्टिविटीज से, थिएटर से, डांस से क्या होता है, आपका एंटरटेनमेंट तो होता ही है, बट यू लर्न सो मेनी अदर एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ
Yeah.
which helps you to become a complete person.
Absolutely. Okay. मैम अब मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि आई थिंक, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, आई थिंक
Yeah.
यू स्टार्टेड दिस बिजनेस एट द एज ऑफ 60,
That's right.
राइट?
Yeah.
सो व्हाट मोटिवेटेड यू, मतलब आपको ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया?
See, ये जो आइडिया है ना, आइडिया तो मेरे को बहुत लेट आया, पर मेरे को बचपने से मन था कि मैं अपना कुछ करूं.
ओके.
But I got married in army, and I had 2 sons, and I was enjoying life. I really had a very fulfilling life.
या.
So this thing was always there in me that I want to do something. I
Something.
want to do something.
या.
So when the opportunity came, which came very late,
ओके.
after my husband retired and we settled down, but then I took up this challenge at that.
Okay.
So it was late, yes, but nevertheless I started it.
सो दिस वाज लाइक द फर्स्ट थिंग यू स्टार्टेड, या आपने इससे पहले भी कुछ ट्राई किया था?
इससे पहले मैं हैंडीक्राफ्ट, मेरे हस्बैंड की पोस्टिंग थी रुड़की में,
ओके.
सो वहाँ पे मैंने देखा कि बड़ी अच्छी क्रॉस स्टिच होती है, एंड द लेडीज डिडंट हैव एनी प्लेस टू सेल, सो आई पिक्ड अप, आई गेव देम न्यू डिजाइन्स, एंड आई केम टू कॉटेज एम्पोरियम, व्हिच इट वाज एक्सेप्टेड, सो दैट एनकरेज्ड मी.
वाओ.
उनके लिए भी कुछ हुआ, मेरे लिए भी कुछ हुआ.
करेक्ट.
और वहाँ से then my uncle who took a premature retirement, he wanted to do something for his village,
ओके.
Anupshahr, which is in UP, Bulandshahr. So he saw my work and he saw my talent. He must have seen something in me.
या.
And he said, why don't you come along when we both start this school?
Wow.
So I had this 5 year, I was there. I was managing, I built 8 departments in that school of craft. And I used to market the product, and girls, it was a unique school, and that helped me gain confidence and gave me some idea about what
Yeah.
business is all
Yeah.
about.
So that means there was something in you always that you wanted to do something in life.
Yes, that was always there.
Always there.
Yes.
So can we say that कि जो entrepreneurs होते हैं, they're born, या do you think they get inspired? Like if we go back to your childhood, do you think
Yeah.
that time also you were like a leader, या फिर ये बाद में आपको आया क्योंकि maybe you saw some other people, या you got inspired by somebody? What do you think? How did it
No,
happen for you?
See, I don't know about the rest,
Okay.
but I know about myself. I was a leader, yes, from the start.
Okay.
Where whichever school I went to, teachers always used to pick me up to lead the prayer in the morning.
Yeah.
I will be looking after the class. So I had that in me. Or I was a president of my college in Agra, St. John's College.
Wow.
So I had this, थोड़ा सा ये था मेरे अंदर, पर बिजनेस का मुझे शौक था. और ये चीज़ें मेरे ख्याल से all these traits were there, which I didn't know,
Yeah.
which were quite unfulfilled
Yeah.
while I was enjoying my life as as the army officer's wife. And later on, when I got this opportunity, yes, I made use of that.
Interesting. Okay, ma'am. Now, if we deep dive into your service apartment business model, firstly, how did you get inspired? Like, आपने कहीं ये देखा था? Because I know you have traveled a lot. So, did you get inspired by going somewhere? Yeah, this is something you experienced. How did this start? कि मैं ये ही शुरू करूँगी.
Okay. See, I used to go and hold exhibitions abroad to sell the school product.
Okay.
And for one of these occasions, I went to New York.
अच्छा.
And my eldest son, Kunal, was working for American Express at that time.
Okay.
And he was living in a serviced apartment.
Oh.
And this I'm talking about 2004-5.
Okay.
And it was not, I love that. I mean, I love this
Concept, yeah.
because he could get his breakfast on call, and he had a full-fledged kitchen,
Yeah.
and it was very comfortable living. And somebody was coming to clean the house, and all these things were taken care of. So I thought this is an excellent idea,
Yeah.
and that is how I got inspired.
Wow.
And I thought I will. And we had a piece of land in Gurgaon.
Okay.
So, and I thought I'll do that.
Okay. So when you started this, so basically you built that first service apartment on your own land.
Yes.
Okay. And now I think you have a few here and you have in abroad as well.
We have about total about 150 apartments
Wow.
in Gurgaon.
That's amazing. 150 apartments is wow, amazing. And every business has, your marketing, sales, finance, HR, operations,
Oh yes,
right? So, and I think I'm
Yes,
sure
yes.
because you're heading the thing, so you have to deep dive into everything,
right.
So,
Yes.
for service apartment, how critical is marketing? Yeah, how do you market yourself? Because we don't see advertisement on, let's say, Make My Trip. Like, how do you
Yeah.
advertise yourself?
See, we now ever since Google has come, ever since these different OTAs have come.
Yeah.
So we have to naturally. One is that through OTA platforms.
Okay.
So you you connect to these companies, and you give your room numbers, how many rooms you are willing to allocate to them,
Right.
and then you have physical marketing also, where
Okay.
you have you go for corporate. It's corporate clients you get,
Yeah.
and on a regular basis you have to get. And then there is this medical tourism that is
Yeah.
also there, very very important, very prevalent in
Yes.
Gurgaon,
Yes.
and leisure. So it is physical as well as through OTAs.
Okay. And if you look at कि for example हमारा total business है, majority में हम कहाँ से आता है? Is it medical tourism? Is it individuals coming directly from these websites or the corporate?
See, through OTAs is about, our share is about 30%.
Okay.
Rest 70% is our own effort.
Okay.
But majorly, if I see, जो guest का हमारा total 60% of our turnover है,
Right.
वो corporate guest का है.
Okay. So you
Because
have
यहाँ पे
direct,
corporate बहुत है.
right. So
You
you
know,
have
so
like
Gurgaon
direct
is-
relationship with these companies.
Relationship with these companies,
Okay.
tie up with these companies, you know.
Yeah.
And then I'll say about 15% will be about medical,
Okay.
and 15 is this all local people who are traveling or who are relocating,
Yeah.
those kinds.
Yeah. And what is like a minimum tenure that people stay for 15 days, 1 month? Or is there any policy
See,
with
minimum
these?
or maximum is not fixed.
Okay.
Minimum can be 1 day,
Mhm.
maximum can be a year,
Yeah.
2 years. There have been Japanese guests who have lived with us for 7, 8 years.
Oh wow. Yeah, that was
So
my
that
next
is,
question. That especially जब हम service apartment की बात करते हैं, like you said in your experience, you went to New York and there you were staying and you loved the idea. So what is the kind of clientele? मतलब इसमें ज़्यादा international audience है या India की है? And even from international, आपकी market सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ पे है?
See, मेरा total international, I will say about 20% is in international.
Okay.
But right now, of course, international have reduced quite a lot because of this ongoing
Yes.
war and problems
Yeah.
outside. And rest are corporate. Ours are majorly corporate.
Corporate.
So they can be international, they can be national.
Yes. Of course.
Depending on what kind of company you are associated with.
Yeah. And if we talk about the model map, look, for example, अगर मैं, I understand कि, I'll have my own kitchen, I'll have my own setup, but from a commercial standpoint, does it benefit the customer more to stay in a service apartment or going for a hotel?
Yeah, definitely, it's about 25% cheaper than staying in a hotel.
Okay.
And if you're coming for a day or two, and if you are you don't mind spending extra,
Yeah.
then by all means you will go to a hotel. But if you are staying for a longer period,
Yeah.
then you will prefer to move into a serviced apartment.
Okay. Okay. And agar hum dekhe, like you said, you've got now 150, service apartments. I'm sure some must be owned by you, some must be on the rent. So is it viable, like if anybody wants to start, or let's say gets have this idea, can we do it on a rental model as well, that you rent the land or the building and then you can start your own service apartment?
Yeah, definitely. But see, only starting with rentals can be little dicey. You see, because lease agreement and
Yeah.
the owner can be, he can evict you at any time, and
Yeah.
there are problems in it. But people can do it. It's not that.
Yeah.
It is not that profitable if it is on lease,
Yeah.
rent. But most properties are on rent. It's not that also. It is, since this business requires huge money investment, so most people start with rented. It's not that they can't. Things will be little difficult, and their margins will be little less.
Yeah.
But yes, certainly, if you have passion and if you are at the right place and if you have the right model, right team, then you can succeed.
Okay. If you talk about the challenges, what is like the biggest challenge you faced when you started this?
Biggest challenge was only to understand the whole business,
Yeah.
because it was still very new to me.
Yeah.
My knowledge was only through books.
Yeah.
And of course, I had taken 3 months training in Taj Hotel before starting my own.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
I did spend, luckily I had a friend there, and I spent 3 months in Taj Hotel and spent equal amount of time in each department. And I understood quite a lot, but not that much. So earlier challenges were there, which any new business will have.
Of course.
I also went through that phase.
But this is very interesting that you got an opportunity and at that age, you
Yes.
went out there and you sort of,
You know what?
yeah.
I learned, I said, okay, I'm going to start service apartment. Let me see what books can teach me. So
Yeah.
I bought 2 books.
Okay.
And I'm talking about at that time where Amazon was only delivering in USA, not in India.
Okay.
So I bought 2 books. One was by Mr. Conrad Hilton.
Okay.
The name of the book is Be My Guest.
Okay.
And another is by these how this McDonald chain was.
Yes.
So I bought these 2 books, and they were delivered to my son in New York.
Okay.
And when I went, I collected them.
Wow.
So it was. I wanted to know exactly how people work and what exactly is required.
Yeah.
That is, of course, is compulsory to know your subject well.
Wow. So it's actually rightly said that people who read books can learn so much and they can start something out of that. So it's a very important.
Yeah. Through books, yes, you can.
Yeah.
Yes, you can become more knowledgeable.
Yeah.
Definitely, but that passion has to be there,
Yes.
and that no one can
give
you.
Yes.
No.
So do you still read books?
I do.
And how do you manage your
Jesus.
time? Like I know now, running 150
Okay.
apartments, playing golf, doing so much. Like how do you really
You know
manage
what?
your time?
You know what? Any business, for that matter, is difficult in the start.
Yeah.
Because you are alone. You are the manager, you are the marketing manager,
Yeah.
you are the salesperson. You are also getting, जब आपके ऊपर कोई guest नाराज हो रहा है, you are the
Yes.
one who are standing in the line.
Yes.
So you are doing everything yourself.
Yeah.
But as the business grows, you have other people, you start delegating. So in a way, when business grows little more, you have little more time to yourself.
Yeah.
Like my son has joined. So now it's not he's looking after entire marketing, sales.
wow.
he has made, he invested a lot into digital marketing, and
Okay.
we have made our own, he built his own PMS for the hotels.
Wow.
So now for me, it's not that difficult. And for anyone in the world, I think when there is a will, there is a way.
Yes.
You know, I wake up early at 5, and then I go to CrossFit. So no office is running at 5 in the morning. So I'm not missing out on anything.
Anything, yes.
So I'm doing that, come back, read my paper, and then get ready, go to office.
Wow.
And in the evening, then again you're free. There's so much time to do whatever you want to do. Saturday, Sundays, you can play golf.
Yeah. Interesting.
It's just-
So, Madhu ma'am, do you remember your first guest? आपको कैसे मिला था?
Okay, this you won't imagine.
Okay.
This you cannot. This is something you have to believe me.
Yeah.
You know, there was some kind of guest house right behind my building where I was constructing our service apartment.
Okay.
And there used to be a black Merc parked in front of that building.
Okay.
And I used to imagine every day, yeah, one day this is going to be parked in front of my house. And sure, it happened. Because when that person saw a new building,
Yeah.
so they moved into this place.
Wow.
So in the beginning, I rented my place for about 4, 5, 6 months. And there was at that time, Huawei was a company which was
Yes.
doing well in India.
Yeah.
They have left, I think, India now. So Huawei's the employees were staying.
Oh.
When I took over, they continued staying.
Wow.
So I had little advantage of having a few guests who could meet my expenses in the beginning.
Yes. Okay. Now, ma'am, if we drill down, let's say एक service apartment है, तो how do you run it? Like, इसमें कौन-कौन से आपके departments? Let's say आपका service apartment है. Obviously, you have the kitchen.
You'll have
your-
you'll have your reception.
Yes.
Then you will have your housekeeping.
Okay.
Then you have your kitchen,
Okay.
that's the restaurant area.
Okay.
Then you have security.
Okay.
And then you will have those, on top of those people, the managers, to look after them.
Okay. And what is the journey of a customer? Let's say मैं एक international client हूँ. मैं आया हूँ, let's say I've come from Japan. Now, do you have any specialized service for me? या फिर it's generalized?
See, I tell you frankly, earlier when we had just started, we started with, like I told you, with Huawei.
Okay.
And then all Japanese had started coming to our place.
Okay.
So I did keep a specialized Japanese chef.
Okay.
And then I sent my staff, 2 boys, there is a place called Tonino.
Oh, yes.
So I sent them to
Yeah.
get trained for continental food.
Okay. Okay.
So I do have, whenever we know now largely it is not just Japanese, we get
Right.
from other nationality also.
Of course.
So the continental food, we have specialized cooks for that.
Okay. And now again, what is the journey of a guest? Let's say I'm coming from abroad. मेरा 1 महीने का
Yeah.
assignment है. My company has called me.
Yeah.
And I contact you that I'm coming to Gurgaon and I need this apartment for, let's say, 2 months.
Yeah.
So what is the journey like? Do I need to pay up front? Do I need to tell my sort of what do I say, my some specifications? या फिर it's generally like a hotel कि मैंने book कर दिया, मैंने pay कर दिया, and then I start living. Like, or do you do any
So,
checks? How does it work? Like, what is the journey of a customer?
When a person checks in, so naturally he will inquire about us. We'll have some kind of correspondence with the person.
Right.
If he's not coming through OTAs.
Okay.
Now these OTAs have come in between, so we cannot directly speak to the customer.
Yeah.
They do all that. They just tell us who's coming. But if we are contacting, or if the guest is directly contacting us through our website,
Yeah.
then we will consider all about his what food he likes, what kind of combination he wants. Is he looking for just breakfast and a place?
Right.
Is he looking for all the meals from us? So we will accordingly we'll make his
Okay. Plan.
his plan,
Okay.
and we'll execute that. And for monthly booking, we do take months advance. We do not take security in it.
Okay.
And of course, monthly bookings have 30% off on the total. And then once at some time, people just keep staying with us. There is a guy who's a professor in Harvard College, and he comes every year. He's coming and is spending 5-6 months. He does
Wow.
something in India and does something. So with them, we know it. They give after a month, after 20 days, after 15 days. Then we are very relaxed with them,
Wow.
with old guests. So otherwise, yes, months in
Okay,
advance.
this is something very interesting. I like that. We can have a very customized kind of a model that मुझे breakfast चाहिए, मुझे नहीं चाहिए,
Right.
मुझे lunch चाहिए, या
Yes.
मैं खुद बनाना चाहता हूँ.
Yeah,
I think they can use the
right.
kitchen also.
They do have, because it's an
Okay.
apartment. They do
Right.
have their kitchen.
Okay. And is it like a 1 BHK or a 2 BHK, or you have different
We have
models?
different models also. We have 2-3 BHKs also.
Okay, so they can rent the entire thing.
Rent the entire.
Okay.
Yes.
And minimum is 1 BHK?
Minimum is one studio also, where there is no kitchen. So it's just a room.
Okay. And ma'am, if we talk about the price, the tariff, so for a 1 day, if I want to book, let's say, a 2 BHK apartment with a kitchen, of course, and with basic amenities like my laundry, what is the ballpark figure which comes down to?
See, the daily tariff, then again it depends. There are various property and locations. Location matters.
Okay.
The location of the room and apartment matters.
Okay.
In the same building, you may be giving just 3,500, or you may be giving 5,000 also, or 6,000 also, depending on what kind of room you have selected.
Okay.
And then accordingly, then if the booking is for a month, then you will, as I told you, you will get total pay 30% off. You will get.
Okay, so it's typically like a hotel. That location also matters.
Of course.
Because for your,
yes,
yeah.
of course, for us also, because in building every room cannot be identical.
Yes.
Few will be facing a garden. Few will be not having a very beautiful, so that entire building will have 3 categories. There are 3 categories of apartments in every building
Yeah.
we have.
Okay. Interesting. I think it's a very interesting concept. But what do you think? Is it very I would say, famous in India, or still there is a lot of opportunity in this space?
I think it is transforming this hospitality sector completely. Because earlier it was either a hotel
Yes.
or a guest house.
Yeah.
There's nothing in between.
Nothing in between. Yeah.
If a person is coming for a month, he had to, if he wanted to rent a apartment for a month or 2 months, he had to go into leasing.
Yes.
There's so much of paperwork, official work had to be there. He had to put the deposit for 2 months.
Yeah.
And there are so many hassles you have to go through if you are renting an apartment on your own. Even today, just renting is quite difficult.
Yeah.
And whereas here, you're just finding, coming, landing, all this thing is taken care of. So it's a huge, so this industry is going to take off in a big way.
Yeah.
Because it is really a bridge between hotel and the guest house.
Okay. Do you also see there could be a model for people, let's say, who either they don't have a house, or they have a house but they are, because of their job or business, they are settled in a different city and they have a family, and instead of renting a house, they rent a service apartment. Do you have those kind of customers, or do you think this is not a market fit?
So it will be very, of course, we are more than willing to accommodate. We have no objection to this, but then it becomes expensive.
Okay.
So if you have your entire family living with you and you have come for a longer duration, it makes sense to rent a house and run it yourself. Otherwise, you're paying for every facility you are availing.
Yeah.
which becomes very, and there are, I see these, like these Japanese who come for years, but their families don't come.
Don't come.
They come alone
Okay.
and they live alone.
Yeah.
So for them it is okay to rent it for a year, but somebody who is getting his children and all that, for them it makes no, they, if they are there for a month, it's okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise it becomes expensive.
Okay. And how is it different? Because I know you have some apartments in abroad as well. So is there any difference running that business in India and running that business abroad?
Yes, a lot in expectation. When you come to India,
Yeah.
Everybody knows that we do have, a lot of people to work
Yeah.
in this sector. And people do become very demanding. Whereas abroad, you will not even see the receptionist's face ever.
Yeah.
You will end up, all the instructions will be given to you that your key is found there, the box number is so and so, this is the digital detail, you open it. If you don't have anybody there or if you get stuck somewhere, there's no one to help you out.
Yeah.
So there, because naturally they depend totally on technology.
Correct.
But where we have, same people when they come to India, their expectations become different.
So this is for international travelers also.
Even international travelers also. Although they are, I will say they are not that demanding,
Yeah.
by the way. Like Indian who are settled abroad, when they come back home,
Yeah.
oh God, they expect, because they know you have to lay it on for them.
Yeah. I think that's a big cultural difference we have.
That is a big cultural difference.
Yeah.
And they do expect, and we deliver also
Yeah.
happily.
Oh, wow. Yeah. I'm sure. Ma'am, what is the role of technology in the service apartment business? Because now you're running so many of them.
Yes,
So-
now it is all technology plays a big role. Like you have to have your PMS,
Okay.
property management system. When a person comes, he checks in, checks out, billing, all that is done through that PMS.
Okay.
So that is, you have to know, if you like, we had a team which built our own system.
Right.
But then otherwise you have to take other systems, and otherwise also the technology say you are always connected to your guest now.
Yeah.
Everything is all the messages are relayed in advance. All the payments are through those there are a lot of platforms where you are receiving these payments through them. That is all, technology is doing
Yeah.
everything for you
Yeah.
these days.
Yeah.
And then this is the channel manager, which manages your bookings.
Yeah.
You can't do without that, because your rooms are available on so many platforms.
Correct.
So how will you keep track of them? It's
Yeah.
difficult. So only the channel manager is keeping track of those
Track of
bookings.
that. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. And ma'am, if anybody is starting out this business, let's say in India, what do you think? What do you want to guide them? Like, how should they start?
See, they should see, first of all, in any business, the location is most important. Mother of everything is your location.
Yeah.
Where are you located? So it's not that मेरे को ये शहर अच्छा लग रहा है, ये जगह अच्छी लग रही है, तो मैं यहाँ शुरू कर दूँ.
जी.
It can't be like that. You have to do your survey first. How many firms are there? Offices are there? Corporates are there? Medical tourism is there? What kind of guest you will get?
Yeah.
That is important. So that has to be done, because in this proximity to markets, proximity to all these centers has to taken care of before you select a place.
Yeah. Okay. And if you talk about India, like if you talk about tier 1, cities, then tier 2, mostly I think because you're also servicing the corporate guys, so I'm assuming that mostly you have in the tier 1 cities.
I have, yes, only in tier 1 cities.
Okay.
We haven't gone to tier 2.
Do you think this can work in that market as well?
Oh, See, it can work if, but now in UP, like I'm told, there's so many companies are coming.
Yeah.
Wherever the companies go,
Yeah.
this concept will go.
Yeah.
Wherever the companies are. Otherwise, this concept will. Otherwise, why will you go and live in a
Exactly.
place for a month?
Yeah.
You are a traveler, and if you are on holiday, max you will spend a week. Why do you require a service apartment
Yeah.
there? So that is you have to keep in mind while selecting the location for your place.
Ma'am, also if we talk about Gurgaon as a city, what do you think, what has changed in this city from so many years you've been here, especially from your business standpoint?
Oh, a lot. A lot has changed. You
Yeah.
like you can also see that
Yes.
so much has come up suddenly. Buildings, but infrastructure is not in place.
Yeah.
There's one drop comes and in rainy season everything gets flooded.
Yes.
So all these kind of challenges are there presently. Although it is attracting people, there and a lot of companies are there, big players are there, but it will take some time before I can say that yes, everything is
Yeah.
smooth and good.
But does it also affect your business? Because I'm sure if you look at from the last 15, 20 years, the real estate of Gurgaon has also gone
Oh
from
yes,
here
yes.
to, it is skyrocket.
Rentals have really
Yeah.
gone high,
Yeah,
and every second building which is built for this purpose.
exactly.
So the competition is very high.
Yeah.
But only thing is that people who will survive are those who, the trusted companies, those will be able to
Yeah.
survive in this sector.
And I think the core what I can get from your conversation is that you need to be very passionate about your business.
Exactly.
And
Exactly.
service. Like
Service,
in
yes.
India we say Atiti Devo Bhava.
Exactly. So you're not only you, your entire team has to be
Yeah.
towards that.
Yeah.
If you have one person who's rude because he will give up under whenever there is a pressure, he will he'll revolt or he'll say something nasty to your guest, and that's the end of story.
Yeah.
So you have to be very careful. You have to that way. Yes, you have to have the right culture.
Right.
So although so many have come, but survival of them looks little
difficult. And as an entrepreneur, how do you keep your team motivated? And like very rightly you said that the culture has to be maintained. So as a leader, how do you really maintain that culture?
See, yeah, खाली लेक्चर देने से तो कोई आपको फॉलो नहीं करता,
Correct.
है ना? So you have to be a hands-on leader. आपको खुद को you have to be in the front line. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, and your team has to know that they will not be left alone if there some problem comes. There is someone standing behind them all the time.
All the time, yeah.
They have to feel secure, and then they will do anything for you. You have to take care of your guests, of your staff. Only then your staff will take care of your guest.
Yeah. Okay, let's say scenario, I don't know if it has ever happened, but and especially we know in the hospitality sector, there are times when guests also become unreasonable for
Oh yes,
whatever reason.
Yes, yes.
Right, because
the pressures are too many in India.
Yeah, absolutely.
It could be the light has gone off, or he has had a fight on the road, or it could be anything.
Yeah. And how did you manage that situation, or what do you suggest somebody where there is a guest who gets terribly
upset.
I would say upset, and they're just not willing to sort of
the best thing in such situations, I tell them that guest is always right.
Okay.
Whatever he's saying, just say yes sir, I'm sorry, yes sir, I'm sorry, even if you know 100% that the fault is of guest. But of course you can't stretch it so much that the guest really is so unreasonable but is still so demanding that you have to nicely, politely, but sternly you have to tell them, but sir, this is you are right, but it's not allowed.
Yeah.
So you can't offend them, but still you have to be firm.
Okay.
If you know that the person there are instances that sometimes the guest becomes very rowdy and rough, then we have to, you have to put your foot down and
Careful,
say
yes.
this is not allowed.
Acceptable.
Yes, it's not acceptable.
Okay. Now, ma'am, from your journey, what are some key takeaways you want to give to people, not only in the hospitality, but anybody who wants to take entrepreneurship?
See, it's a beautiful journey, but be prepared for ups and downs. It's like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
It goes up. The minute it goes up, you should be ready to fall down also. But once you fall down, you should know that you will come up again. So it is like you have to be patient. You have to have the resilience and patience, to bounce back every time you get hit. And you learn. You learn. Gradually you learn. It is, and if bad moments, you are going through bad phase, this bad phase will end. And you will come to a good phase. Definitely. 100%. And once the good phase starts, you will have problems. So this is a cycle, and anybody who wants to be an entrepreneur, naturally, first off, should be very passionate. Nothing works without passion.
Yeah.
That is applicable to everything, every profession in the world. You have to be very passionate about what you're doing.
But do you think for so long doing something, all the time, do you think that passion can still stay, or it fades away, or then it's the motivation of money or maybe fame, or the passion still stays? I mean,
no, see, the passion still stays, but you have to keep reinventing.
Yeah.
You have to make life interesting for your staff, for yourself, by taking new places, by doing few new things. Do something different. Like we keep organizing golf tournaments and cricket matches for our team.
Yeah.
And sometimes we call somebody for dance performance. So you have to just continue that. This is a journey which has to be enjoyed. The minute it becomes boring and mundane, then you will not like, your staff will not like.
Yeah.
They will run away. They'll leave you the minute they see that there is no hope for them.
Yeah.
You have to show them a larger picture. You have to show them you yourself have to know your vision, where you are heading.
Yeah.
And the minute you get bored and you feel it's done, then I think you must exit.
True.
Because you have done. I've reached a certain stage. I don't need money now.
Yeah.
And if I just keep playing, with these young boys and their life, they have a future.
Yeah.
If I can't provide that future, then why the hell am I in this business? I have to take care of that.
It's
So I
that
always think of it's my responsibility. It's not only them, it's their family, their children. So many people are linked to them.
Yeah. One more very important question, ma'am. As a women entrepreneur, like how difficult it was for you to start? Because I'm not saying, things have really changed in India, but still, we always hear about that as a woman, it gets a little difficult.
I tell you what, I'll tell you something which you may not believe. I have never had this feeling. No one has ever differentiated because of my gender.
That's amazing.
No, I have never felt that I'm a woman and I can't get it.
Wow.
I can't get my work done. No. I've never felt it.
Yeah.
I've never been treated badly. Never in my life.
Do you think, is it your attitude? Because we generally hear this that, and from females as well, that at times, we don't feel comfortable, or there is something we felt that if, we were a male. I'm not saying everyone, but maybe is this your attitude? Or what do you think?
See, I tell you what, little is my attitude is also there.
Yeah.
But majorly, people are nice. Because I play golf and I play golf only with male friends.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm not playing with female friends because of certain reasons. Because I have to go if I want to play with them, I have to go to Delhi.
Yeah.
So I can't travel to Delhi because of the distance and traffic. So I play at Manesar and I have a fixed foursome where guys are there. I travel with them. I go to Srinagar to play. I go to Simla to play with them. I have no problem.
Yeah.
But so, I don't know. See, I'm not, I've never felt that.
But that's amazing.
I
mean,
felt
that's
secured
amazing.
in guys' presence. I've
Wow.
never felt threatened. I have never felt.
Wow. But this is an amazing, I would say, experience what you have shared.
I really don't know.
Wow.
But I have not felt so. And as a young girl, I used to travel alone. When I was 16-year-old, I went for my admission to a school and I went alone. My parents had faith, and of course, those times were safer. And I used to travel alone, and I never come across any wrong incident, wrong people I've never met in my life. Thank God.
Wow.
I should continue with this luck.
Yes. No, that's
Yeah.
amazing. Yes. Oh, wow. And I think you've also tried theatre.
Yes, I did.
Yes.
Yes, you were my hero.
Yes.
Yes, I
So-
did theatre
Yes.
because that was also a very beautiful phase of my life.
Yeah.
I love doing it. Theatre is also like business.
It is. of
You know,
course.
everybody has to know their role well. Everybody has to just move together well.
And it's a teamwork.
It's a teamwork.
You have to be so patient.
You have to be so patient. You have to rehearse. You have to give your best. And
Is it-
one person does something wrong and it can collapse.
It can collapse. Yes.
Really.
And I still remember that I used to, I would say, experience your leadership qualities in the team as well at times. And sometimes you had to rush, and the director used to be like, "No, Madhu, you have to stay," and you're like, "I really have a meeting."
Yes.
So yeah, so I think definitely, yeah, I think theater is something which, it's not just about acting or being on
Yeah,
stage.
no. It's
teaches
a
you
team.
so much.
So much.
Yes.
So much. That, the grace comes when everything is gelling together, moving together without, it just flows.
Yeah.
And that comes, if that you can have that in your team, in your business, that everything just goes slowly.
Yeah.
When a guest comes, he should not know कि ये क्या गदर मचा हुआ है.
Alright.
Everybody knows his job, everybody knows his dialogue.
Yes.
That falls in place.
Yeah. And I think if we relate it to your business, for example, on stage, anything can happen. Maybe the light goes off.
Yeah.
Maybe the sound goes off. Maybe
You
your
forget your dialogue.
yes, and maybe your co-actor forgets the dialogue. I
Exactly.
think same in business.
Same as business. You have to come and help your staff,
Right.
your co-workers,
Yeah.
everybody. You have to be there.
Maybe the guest is entering and
Yeah,
something
exactly.
you forgot.
Something,
Or-
yes, always.
So,
You have to be present to correct if somebody has slipped and somebody has missed his dialogue. You have to be there, ready for
Yes.
new dialogues.
ma'am, now, okay, you have achieved so much with the grace of God and your efforts and everything. Now what? Like, how do you see
Now what?
your next phase, and how do you really want to, like, are you still
See,
ambitious to
yeah.
achieve something,
I
or
am.
you're just comfortable enjoying your life?
No, I'm still, you know what? I like my life when I have certain goals to achieve.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it becomes boring for me. So my latest thing is I'm participating in High Rocks on 25th July. And
My
I'm working
God.
for that.
Oh my God.
I'm training for High Rocks.
Wow.
So that, and then I participated recently in the theatre. I danced with the backyard goers on
wow.
I gave a performance with the children. I was like their grandmother dancing with
My
them.
God. Amazing.
Yeah. I recently did about 10-15 days back. And I go for my dance classes. I'm doing that.
Oh, it's really inspiring, ma'am. Madhu ma'am is really
No,
inspiring.
it is, you have to just keep yourself busy and continue doing what you love to do. You know? रुकनी नहीं चाहिए गाड़ी.
No, I am sure. I mean, whoever is watching this, they will get, very motivated. I'm getting
No.
motivated from you so much.
No, it's not that. I don't think I can motivate anyone, but in fact I get motivated by all these youngsters, the way they're so savvy with technology and all that. I get motivated by seeing all that, and so much has changed.
Yeah, no, I
But
think
like-
you're being
but
very
yes,
humble,
yes.
and I think that's also one of the
No.
qualities of being an entrepreneur.
No,
But
No, not at all. I'm telling you. And such a graceful dancer. I dance with that girl. She's a ballet dancer. God, beautiful movements.
Yeah.
She performs as if she's some fairy, angel has come down on earth. And here I am so stiff but yes, it's fun. It's fun doing it. Yes.
Wow, Madhu ma'am, it was really an interesting conversation, and I'm sure. I mean, I learned a lot from you.
I enjoy it. Puneet.
And your last thoughts, ma'am, again, to anybody who's watching, and if they want to start something of their own right now, they're stuck in life. What do you want to tell them? Like, how do they start? How do they begin?
See, I tell you what, problems will come.
Yeah.
I told you that everybody goes through those problems. You will have heartaches, you will have problems, you will have financial problems. But believe me, just stay on. Everything becomes all right. It does become all right. If you just think about it. Recently I go to play golf to Manesar in NSG.
Right.
And having breakfast with NSG commandos.
Okay.
And I asked them, I said, you were athletes earlier. So what are you taught differently now that they're training you to become commandos? So they said, ma'am, every day they tell us that it's all in your mind.
Wow.
It's all in your mind. So you have to make your mind that accept everything and accept that everything will change. Things will change.
Yeah.
And in High Rocks now, when like yesterday, it was a very challenging exercise, very challenging.
Yeah.
I did 100 burpees.
Oh,
Can you imagine 100 burpees at 70? So,
My God.
but I just kept telling my mind, yes, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
I mean, I can't do 100 burpees.
Yeah, it's difficult. It's damn difficult.
It
But
seems
it is
impossible
possible.
at your age.
But it is possible.
Wow.
But if I have to go for High Rocks, then I have to do this 80 meters ka burpee and jump. I have to do that. So I'm training my heart to sustain that kind of
Pressure. Yes. Oh, this is really interesting, and thank you once again,
Well,
Madhu ma'am, and I'm sure.
Thank you for lovely ride. For really nice.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad that you are doing something different and exciting.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
And I
think
wish you
get-
all the success
No, thank you.
in
ma'am.
whatever you do.
I think I get motivated by.
And I wish
all
you
you
get
guys.
all the. You have just interviewed me because you are my friend, and
Yes.
but I wish you get real stars in your, which really can make
Yeah.
a difference to
And ma'am,
your.
honestly, that's the difference I want to bring in. It's a journey.
Yes.
You would want to interview people who have done-
Right.
But I want to do that. I think anyone around me, I think everyone has a story. And
Yes.
we can learn from anyone and
Anyone
everyone.
and everyone, yes, is a
And-
teacher.
Yes, and that's my aim. That I want to really talk to anyone who I am associated with, and I feel has a worthy story to tell.
Story, yes. We
And-
all have stories, yes.
So that's the idea. But once again, thank you so much, and I look forward to meet you again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.